Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to add or log in or sign in another Gmail accounts or how to add multiple Gmail accounts. If you want to sign in or log in or add another Gmail accounts or Google accounts or add or log in or sign in multiple Gmail accounts or Google accounts on your phone. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this I can show fast process how to add your Gmail accounts. So in this I can show fast process. So go to your Google Play Store. After that, choose and open your Google Play Store. In this I can show fast process how to add or log in or sign in your another or multiple Gmail accounts. So let's see. After that, right top corner, click on it. After that, in this here, click on it. You can see add another account. So in this I can choose and select add another account. Click here. You can see email or phone. So in this here you can type or write your another Gmail accounts or Google accounts or email accounts. In this here you can type or write. After that, choose next, click on it. You can see enter your password. So in this here you can write or type your Gmail accounts or Google accounts password. After that, choose next, click here. After that, choose I agree, click on it. After that, choose accept, click on it. You can see in this way I can easily add another Gmail accounts or log in or sign in another or multiple Gmail accounts or Google accounts. In this way I can show second process or second method. Minimize it and go to your Gmail. In this way I can show second process or second method. After that, right top corner, click on it. You can see add another account, click here. After that, choose and open Google. You can see email or phone. So in this here you can type or write your Gmail accounts or Google accounts. After that, choose next. Enter your password. So in this here you can type or write your Gmail accounts password. After that, choose and select next, click here. Choose I agree. You can see in this way you can easily add or log in or sign in your another Gmail accounts or add multiple Gmail accounts or Google accounts. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.